Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by putting on gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask. Safety first. Next, measure the attic span and ridge location so you know where air will flow. Once done, locate rafters and any wiring, then mark a roof vent center and 2 soffit intake locations. Make 1 small pilot hole through the roof to confirm position, then cut the vent opening to manufacturer dimensions. Make sure to remove debris and keep cuts square for the flashing to seat properly. You now fit insulation baffles between rafters to preserve the soffit intake. They prevent insulation from blocking airflow. Next, lift the roof edge and slide the flashing under shingles at the top, positioning the vent according to the template. Fasten with corrosion-resistant screws while keeping screw heads clear of the flange. Once secured, apply roofing cement under shingles and around the flashing edges to seal. Make sure to maintain a continuous path. Soffit intake, attic channel, ridge, or roof exhaust. You finish by replacing any insulation pushed back and clearing all debris from the soffits and attic openings. Then test the system. Create a small smoke source or feel for a draft at the ridge vent while someone checks the soffits. You should detect steady upward flow. If airflow is weak, inspect for blocked soffit vents, misaligned baffles, or obstructions in the attic channel, and reseal any leaks. One key troubleshooting tip: check for compressed insulation over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.